On to problem number 6, we have the question, what is the relationship between configuration and optical rotation? So first we have to know the difference. Configuration is our RNS that we've been identifying, while optical rotation has to do with the way that light bends, polarized light when it is shot at a molecule. Now the difference between the two is optical rotation is an actual experiment. Every compound will bend left or right, while RNS is something that we made up to identify two separate handedness. But just because we call things right-handed and dexo-rotary doesn't mean that they're equivalent to each other. R does not really equal D, and S does not equal L. Even though we usually say right-handed and left-handed, and this means bends right. The light bends right when shot at the molecule, and this means bends left. These are actually different things. Right-handed and left-handed have nothing to do with the way that light's bending. That just means that this faulty priority system that we came up with that numbers these things has nothing really to do with the way that light's bending. So we can say that our compounds are definitely not always levo-rotary. They don't always bend light to the left. They're not always bending right, or they're not always bending it to the right either. It can be either or. This is a made-up system. This will switch from being L and D depending on the molecule. Okay. So we know that it's one of the no relationships, and we know that S isn't, because S compounds are not one of these either. So it's definitely no relationship. Optical activity is a property of a compound that's not related to configuration. No relationship. Configuration is a property of the compound not related to the optical activity. We know that configuration is not really a property. It is a faulty system that we came up with. So we can really say that this is E.